How to fix PrizePicks deposit not showing up. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you some of the most common reasons for rejected deposits in PrizePicks. So make sure to watch this video till the very end and I'll show you how you will be able to fix it. So the most common mistake would be that you must have made a mistake while adding or inputting your card information and your card number, or maybe your account information wrong while adding your card into your PrizePicks account. So please enter your information again and double check everything before you submit your information that it is correct, and that might fix your deposit problem with PrizePicks. Another possible reason would be that you are located in an ineligible area. So as we all know that PrizePicks is not a universal application. It works in few states in United States. So make sure that your state of residence is eligible for PrizePicks application. Then you will be able to make a deposit. So for example, if you're living in states where the PrizePicks is not available, then the PrizePick will not accept your payment deposit method. So if you find yourself into that category, make sure to correct it and enter the information of the detail of the resident where the PrizePicks is available. Another reason would be that the deposit method that you are trying to use is not currently accepted. For example, MasterCard, American Express, prepaid gift card, these are the cards that are not currently acceptable with PrizePicks. So make sure to use the cards and the payment method that are available with PrizePicks. For example, debit or credit card, instant bank transfer, PayPal and Apple Pay. So these are the current payment methods that are available with PrizePicks. And another possible reason would be that you have met your limit for how many times you can deposit in a specific time frame. So make sure to check the time frame and the deposit limit with PrizePicks or while depositing your money in PrizePicks. And if you want to increase your limit, you can reach out to the customer support of PrizePicks and they will help you out with that. Another possible reason would be that your name on the deposit method does not match with the name on your account. If you enter any of the deposit method here, like for example your debit or credit card, and your card name is different from the name that you are using in your PrizePicks account is different, then there is a possibility that PrizePicks might not accept your payment method. So make sure to use a similar payment method where your name and other information matches with each other. And the another possible reason would be that your payment method is already associated with another account. So if you are having two different accounts under different names and you are using one card in your one account and you're trying to using the same card to your another account, then the PrizePicks will also not accept your card. So you have to check which category do you fall in. So if you're in one of such categories where you're not been able to deposit money and there is an error occurring while depositing money in PrizePicks, so just make sure to check it and try it again. So this is basically how you will be able to fix PrizePicks deposit not showing up. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.